Hello, my name is Juan. I love going to Ayacucho on vacation. I like the sunny water during the day and the cool and rainy water at night. Walking in the rain or hail is a unique experience. I also enjoy taking long walks through the countryside and hills, visiting nearby towns and seeing farm animals like cows and sheep. I also enjoy seeing how they plant their fields and milk cows to drink milk and make cheese. This city is very famous for its dairy products. The best time to go is in February. Since there's harvest time and carnival, where there's dancing and celebrating all week, along with delicious traditional dishes. Patasca, cuy chactado, chicha de jora, puca picante, etc. Above all, the people are very friendly. It's also a good idea to go fishing in the river and enjoy fresh fish. So it's a good place for sailing. When I return to Ayacucho, I will enjoy it very much. When that's all, thank you very much. Bye.